In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort two columns in a single column Google Sheets. Let's begin. Okay, so let's say that I want to focus on two specific columns. So I have first name and then last name. And I want to filter out some of the names. So what you're going to do is you are going to select the cell, then you're going to hit Control on your keyboard and then select the other cell. Once you're done, head over to the Tools area and look for something which says Create a Filter. Then you're going to see these little lines within these cells. Then all you have to do is simply click on them, and it's going to allow you to filter out which names you want to use and which ones you don't want to use. So let's say I want to use Dulce, Erlene, Earlene, Etta, and Gaston, but I don't want to use the other ones, so I'm simply going to click, unselect them. Then once you're done, simply select OK. Then we head over to last name. So select the filter option, and then choose which ones you want to filter out and which ones you want to include. I'm going to say Hearn, I don't want Hearn, and Mulgar. Once you're done, select OK. And there you go. That is how you can sort two columns in a single column Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.